Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by ensuring you have Python 3, 10+, and an isolated virtual environment. Once created, activate the venv and install a connector package like MySQL Connector Python or Mysql so you have DB drivers available. Next, store connection details in a env file rather than hard-coding them. This protects credentials and lets Vscode debug safely. Finally, open the project in Vscode and confirm the selected interpreter matches the venv, so Python uses the installed packages. You now write the code to establish a connection and execute queries. First, load your env variables via python.env or os. Get env to keep secrets out of source. Then create a connection object using the connector's connect function and pass host, user, password, and database. Assign a cursor and execute parameterized queries to avoid injection. Once done, commit transactions when needed and use context managers or explicit try/, except /finally blocks to ensure cursors and connections are closed. You finish by running the script in Vscode with the venv interpreter selected and watching the debugger output for connection errors. Test basic select and insert operations on sample rows to confirm read/write behavior and inspect commits or rollbacks. If things go wrong, first confirm the connector package matches MySQL server, Mysql versus Mysql client, verify host/port and firewall rules, and double-check credentials in env. If errors persist, capture the exception message and adjust the connection timeout or permissions accordingly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.